and welcome back to Auto Resource channel. In this very short video I will love to show you around Mahindra Tractor. This one is the Max 22 HST and it's a model year 2013. I'm going to perform a bunch of maintenance today on this tractor. That's the reason why I came over here. So before doing so and filming the maintenance videos, I want to show you a little bit around this tractor. Some of you might be considering buying one like this, so you might find this video interesting, hopefully. You see the details of the controls. Here's the starting. Sorry for that sound, but it's always a problem filming in the sunny weather. It's challenging because all those contrast areas. But this camera, it's really good at showing us all the details. It's powered by that little 4-cylinder Mitsubishi engine. It's fantastic, I love it. It's a 4-wheel drive model. That 4-wheel drive, it's broken, so it will be one of the things which will definitely be serviced. But today I'm here for the engine oil, engine air filter and the fuel filter, which is actually located right here. You can see it. Ideally, when the time and the hours will be correct, we will be doing the oils in the axles, we will do transmission and hydraulics too. So definitely there will be a bunch of service on this lovely, I will say lovely tractor, performed very soon. Some of it today. So that was a little quick around, showing you around. I hope you enjoy that, and please be subscribed because I have those maintenance and service videos coming very soon your way. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.